Greetings from Grafenau, Greipl in Lower Bavaria.
My name is Jürgen Greipl. I am the managing director of the Greipl Group, here in-house in Wald, as well as at our location in the Czech Republic. Altogether, we have just under 500 employees. We have developed the company from a traditional sheet metal manufacturing business into a system supplier, or as you might say today, a contract manufacturer. For this strategy, and especially the path we have taken, it was important to have truly capable partners at our side for the digitalization of our processes. At the very top of that list is, of course, the company Hoffmann.
We serve sectors such as medical and measurement technology, and in these demanding fields, we have always been able to impress during previous customer and certification audits with CM.
The main reason for acquiring the connected manufacturing software solution from the Hoffmann Group was to increase overall equipment efficiency and to minimize setup times.
Yes, these are indeed special milling tools that are chipped for identification purposes. Each individual chip has its own unique identification, so the system always knows exactly which specific milling cutter is located where, and precisely what data is stored for it at any given time. The advantage of the system is that everything works easily and quite quickly. Now the tool is linked to the machine and the data is entered automatically.
Die Daten werden automatisch eingetragen.
Yes, exactly. The setup process is now complete. All the data is linked in the machine, so production can begin.
What is especially crucial for us is the structured storage of production programs to match the manufacturing order. This always ensures that the operator uses exactly the right program, and any errors in this regard are completely eliminated.
The shortage of skilled workers is of course a huge issue for us, as it is everywhere. With connected manufacturing, we can reduce the training time for new employees. By providing images of the tools as well, mistakes are made less frequently here, and as a result, we can deploy new employees in series production more quickly.
We also looked at competing software solutions on the market, compared their pros and cons, and ultimately decided on the software solution from Hoffmann. The reason was, on the one hand, that it was cost-efficient, and of course the focus was also on a collaborative partnership.